Yo, what's up everybody, it's Pulse. Imagine this, you wake up one morning and bam, your walls are straight up a science experiment with fuzzy black stuff everywhere. That's mold, my friends, and it's the worst roommate ever. Well, for millions of homeowners, it's a reality. But don't panic. We're about to drop some seriously insane mold-busting knowledge bombs in this video. Did you know that 60% of homes have hidden mold problems? That's right. It could be lurking in your house right now. But fear not, because I've got 5 game-changing hacks that will not only get rid of mold, but keep it away for good. We're talking next-level hacks that'll make your house so clean, you could eat off the walls. After we're done cleaning them, of course. Think you know everything about fighting mold? Think again. So buckle up, smash that like button, and get ready to win the war on mold once and for all. Hack 1. Alright, first up, we gotta talk about the MVP of any clean freak's arsenal, vinegar. This stuff is basically magic in a bottle. Grab your trusty bottle of white vinegar, anyone you have at home can work best, and pour it directly onto the moldy surface. Sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda on top of the vinegar. As the baking soda hits the vinegar, you'll see it start to fizz and bubble like crazy. You can also mix them. Let the mixture sit for 15 to 20 minutes, then grab a scrub brush and scrub away that defeated mold. Vinegar is a natural disinfectant, so you're not just cleaning the surface, you're also killing any lingering mold spores. Hack 2. Alright guys, get this. Professional cleaners have been hiding this secret weapon from us for years, but I'm about to expose their game. You won't believe how simple and effective this trick is. It's something you already have in your home, and it can save you a ton of money on expensive cleaning products. It's time to unleash the power of tea tree oil on those unsuspecting mold spores. This little bottle of magic is about to become your best friend in the fight against mold and mildew. Tea tree oil is a natural antifungal and antibacterial powerhouse, meaning it not only destroys mold but it also prevents it from coming back. This is crucial because mold can be stubborn and keep reappearing if not treated properly. Here's the secret formula. Grab a spray bottle and fill it with water. Make sure the bottle is clean and free of any previous chemicals to ensure the best results. Add about 10 to 15 drops of pure tea tree oil. The concentration of the oil is important, so don't skimp on the drops. This ensures that the solution is potent enough to tackle even the toughest mold. Shake it up to mix everything together, and boom, you've got yourself a professional-grade mold-killing spray. This mixture is not only effective but also eco-friendly and safe to use around your home. Spray it generously on any surface where you've had mold problems in the past, showers, windowsills, basements, you name it. The key is to let it sit for a while to really penetrate and kill the mold spores. The best part about tea tree oil is that it's safe for most surfaces and it smells amazing. Unlike harsh chemicals, it leaves a pleasant, natural scent that makes your home feel fresh and clean. So ditch those harsh, chemical-laden mold killers and embrace the power of tea tree oil. Not only will you be doing your home a favor, but you'll also be making a healthier choice for your family and the environment. Give it a try and see the difference for yourself. Hack 3. The Dehumidifier. Hack you never knew. Reduce mold by 80%. This is a must-know for anyone looking to improve their home's air quality. Alright, you guys know I love a good life hack, and this next one is a game changer, especially if you're battling mold. Mold can be a persistent problem, but with this trick, you can keep it at bay. You might already have a dehumidifier, that magical machine that sucks moisture out of the air like a thirsty vampire. But are you using it to its full potential? Most people don't realize how much more effective it can be with just a few tweaks. Probably not. Most people just plug in their dehumidifier and hope for the best. They set it and forget it, thinking it's doing all it can. But there's so much more you can do to optimize its performance. But there's a simple adjustment you can make that'll supercharge its mold-fighting abilities. It's all about the settings. By fine-tuning your dehumidifier, you can make a significant difference in your home's air quality. See that little humidity setting on your machine? Most experts recommend keeping your indoor humidity levels between 30 to 50% to prevent mold growth. This is a good start, but we can do even better. But here's the pro tip: crank that dehumidifier down to 35 to 40% humidity for maximum mold-killing power. This lower setting creates an environment where mold can't thrive. This simple adjustment can reduce mold growth by up to 80%. This simple dehumidifier hack can reduce mold growth by up to 80%. Remember, mold thrives in humidity above 60%, so keeping your home's moisture levels in check is crucial. Imagine the difference that can make in your home, not just for your walls and furniture, but for your health too. So do yourself a favor and adjust that humidity setting. Your lungs and your home will thank you later. Breathing easier and living in a cleaner environment is just a few adjustments away. Trust me, it's worth it. Hack 4, the shocking bread trick. This is Mold CSI. Get ready to uncover the hidden secrets lurking in your home. Alright guys, get ready to have your minds blown. We're diving into a hack that will change the way you think about mold detection forever. This next hack is seriously next level stuff. You won't believe how simple yet effective it is. Forget expensive mold testing kits. We're about to become mold detectives using nothing but a slice of bread. Yes, you heard that right, just a slice of bread. It's like CSI, but instead of catching criminals, we're hunting down hidden mold. Imagine yourself as a detective, but your tool is a humble piece of bread. Bread is actually a surprisingly effective mold detector. It can reveal the presence of mold in places you might not even suspect. Grab a slice of plain white bread and carefully place it in a plastic baggie. Make sure it's sealed tight to avoid any contamination. Take your baggie of bread and head to the suspected mold crime scene. This could be anywhere in your home where you suspect mold might be hiding. Gently press the baggie against the surface, making sure the bread makes direct contact. This is crucial for the bread to pick up any mold spores. Seal up the baggie and leave it undisturbed for 24 to 48 hours. Patience is key here, as the mold needs time to grow. If you see any signs of fuzzy growth, discoloration, or black spots, bam! You've got your evidence. You've got yourself a mold problem. Now you know exactly where to focus your cleaning efforts. This simple trick can save you time and money. Hack 5, the paint that fights back. Give mold a super shield. Alright guys, we've tackled mold removal like pros, but now it's time to take things to the next level. Prevention. And what better way to prevent mold than with a paint that fights back? This stuff is specially formulated with antimicrobial agents that create an invisible shield against mold and mildew. Think of it as a force field that prevents those nasty spores from ever taking root. Mold-resistant paint comes in a wide variety of colors and finishes, so you can find the perfect match for your home decor. So go ahead, give those walls the superhero treatment they deserve and say goodbye to mold for good. There you have it, folks. 5 incredible hacks to kick mold to the curb. Which one surprised you the most? Drop a comment below and let me know. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more home-saving hacks. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. You won't want to miss our next video on the 3 hidden dangers lurking in your kitchen right now. Stay safe, stay mold-free, and I'll see you in the next one.